Alright, hey, what's going on guys, it's Tukan here. Welcome to this updated version of a video I made earlier. In today's video, we are going to take a look at...
You playing Minecraft. I like it, cut G.
Some of you watching right now may even have been redirected from the original video. Well, in the original video, I didn't tell you a lot. I didn't tell you where the meme came from, I didn't tell you anything about the origin, I basically told you how it became a meme. Well, in this video, I'll give you the whole story and the whole picture. Before we start, I'm going to ask you to smash the like button, it'll give you 5 years of good luck, and that's on facts. And with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. You probably know I like your cut G as this video.
You playing Minecraft. I like it, cut G.
But what if I told you this isn't really the original version? Well, it somehow is the original version, but there have been predecessors to this meme. Back in October of 2018, a video surfaced around on Instagram and TikTok of a kid getting smacked in the back of his head and a person saying, "I like your cut G." This original video started the meme, but sadly I cannot show it on YouTube as it will probably be taken down. But there's a link in the description that takes you to Twitter where you can see the original version in a tweet from back in 2018. From what I've gathered, it was originally uploaded by Snapchat user Prince, but I'm not 100% certain that this is the case. All I know is that it originated around October of 2018. Since this original video, the phrase "I like your cut G" became a running joke where people would go around slapping bald kids on their head and posting it to social media platforms. Next to this, the phrase also became a staple online, and it saw plenty of views on Twitter. But it wasn't until September of 2020 that the meme would explode. And now we see YouTube compilations with millions of views, or some random radio host using the phrase to stay relevant.
The new hits in 97.3. What up, it's Kat Haley, and I want to give a special Happy New Year shout out to all the girls that didn't have a midnight kiss. You're doing amazing, sweetie. And to all the girls that have a boyfriend who maybe didn't notice that they literally got their hair cut for New Year's Eve. I like your cut, G.
However, this big spike in popularity wasn't caused by the original meme, but by a parody or a revival, or whatever you want to call it. I'm obviously talking about this video right here.
You playing Minecraft. I like it, cut G.
This video was uploaded by Ilovikaji over on Instagram. At the time of recording, the original post has only 3,000 views and 9 comments, one of which is mine. So if you want to go like and follow the original, it will be linked down below. About a year after the original video was uploaded, Ilovikaji exploded in popularity, and Ilovikaji even tried to go viral, but he wasn't able to do so. He posted an updated video where he showcases the kid in the video, and here's that clip.
You playing Minecraft. I like it, cut G. What up, man? What's up, man? In the flesh, man. In the flesh. They be looking for you, man. They wanted to know who made it, man. We right here, man. We right here, man. I need my clout.
At the end of 2020, Ilovikaji was contacted by Baldwin, a TikToker with over 2 million followers. He asked to do a collab, and they did. They went live together, and Ilovikaji did a face reveal, so now we know what he looks like.
9, 8, 7, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Dude, the toe shoving, dude, the toe shoving is in the building, bro. Live in effect, bro. Live in effect. All right, finally I can start making TikToks with my face in it, bro. I was getting tired of waiting. Right here. I would have my brother come in on camera, but like he not up and over here right now.
If you don't know who Baldwin is, he's a TikToker who popularized the "I like your cut G" phrase. Here's a TikTok of his.
Sorry for neglecting my duties as CEO of I like your cut G, so you're gonna get right back to it. Let's go. Y'all click the link in my bio and get yourself an I like your cut G sweater as well. Got me on the back. You already know. So let's go. Ain't done one of these in a minute. Ooh, I like your cut G.
Recently, Ilovikaji uploaded a video of himself asking for a sponsorship by Epic Games, and honestly, he should get a sponsorship. He created this whole internet trend and didn't receive any clout for it. So Epic Games, if someone sends you this video, please give my guy sponsorship, or at least put Ilovikaji in the game.
Epic Games, your time has come. Everyone wants an I like your cut G emo, and you already know I'm ready. Oh, you playing Minecraft. I like your cut G, I'm ready for it, bro. It can be a dual emo, single emo, just put me in your game. Hashtag Epic Partner.
It's crazy how these simple videos can grow to become extremely popular memes online. And if you made it this far into this video, I'm sure you enjoy these memes. This channel is all about explaining memes, giving you information, and just talking about memes in general. so make sure to subscribe for future content. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.